Rihanna was here. Those are big people in history. Most, if you do the DNA test, at least 50% of everybody, not less than 50% will be Igbo. And that's what you saw in America. 50% of black Americans are Igbo. We are the one today. We go out everywhere in the world. Any country you go to, if we are there in the whole world. If you don't see an Igbo person, you need to run. It means there's no life. We are business people. We're entrepreneurs. We make things. We make cars. We make computers. We make fridge. We own airlines. We own shopping malls. We are business people, entrepreneurs. We defeat any competition in academics or in business. We welcome challenge. And so you are our people. We are the same. I know that after they colonized you, they didn't teach you the business that we know. They taught you how to serve them. That's why we're here, to restore what is in your DNA already. All those things are in your DNA. You are meant to be an entrepreneur. I'm happy you've taken over political control of the islands from the enslavers. But now you have to have economic control. And nothing stops you. Nobody's better than you. I want you to know you are royalty. You are born royal. You're not a slave. You are royal. That's how God made it. We are the first people that God made in the world. From us, you have Europeans. For us, you have Chinese. You have Indians. We are the first people. We are God-chosen people. You are special and you're blessed. We're here to restate that. I know when they have slavery, they took our best from our villages. They left the old and disabled. So we're still recovering ourselves from the best of us. Able, we're sent out. But, the culture might be weak, but I'm impressed. Some of the places I went, they have masquerade receiving me at the airport. They have dances. I'm happy about how you're trying hard to retain the culture. But we have 100% of the culture. Nothing. We're not missing anything. And we can install the program back so you can be 100%.
It is said that Anambra State is considered the light of the nation.
Yeah.
And what you've just described to me sounds really as though you are not just the light, but the engine of the nation and civilization. Yeah. So let's talk a little bit about some of the things that you do so that it becomes a part of the lived experience of people of Anambra State, and then how we can translate that to us in the Western world.
We are business people. It's natural. It's in our blood. Yeah. We have our own weekdays. We don't use Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, all that. We have, look at Go. We have Eke, Oye, Afo, Nkwo. It's been like that for 50 years, 100,000 years. It's been 100,000 years, 50,000 years. We've been like that. We've had all these things. We have kings 100,000 years ago. Other people are just copying what we started. We are not we are superior to whatever you know and see. And then we do the business better. If more of our people come here, you will see we will help you take over the economics and you become #1. So we are good in physics, chemistry, maths. For myself, I'm a medical doctor. My wife is a medical doctor. All my family people are medical doctors. We have big medical organization, 5,000 doctors. I'm in charge of 5,000 medical doctors, every specialty. We provide health care to 1 million people. 20 hospitals, 500 primary care sites in America. I came to America as a young man of 19 with nothing. I had only $50. That's how Igbo people are. Igbo people will come here with nothing. They will start selling bottles and plastic paper. In a year's time, they own the petrol station, they own hotel, they own the mall. That's how they are. They will come with nothing. And just 1 year, they will go from selling bottles and picking up trashes to being the #1 entrepreneur everywhere in the world. That's why you see them killing us. Because when we come, we take over, we have the economy rolling, we build up the place. And then all the local women come after us, and the men from all those places, they get angry. They come with knives, trying to kill us, because we have the best cars, we have the best houses, we have the best business. Everywhere we go, look at South Africa. So even South Africa, our guys are there running the economy because they were never trained to run business. They trained them to be servants. But we know about business. We are doing it there, and all their women are running after us. and the local men are upset.
There's a lot we can learn from you.
So also in Nigeria, I have big agricultural business. I make rice, I make bottled waters, the same bottled water you drink here. I have pigs, about 2,000 pigs. I have poultry. I'm trying to start my palm business and coconut business. We're going to get into vegetables and all that, but right now, we started with rice. The reason why we got into that is to help young people. You know, young people need to be helped. They need to be pulled up. A lot of them don't have anybody to help them. So I give scholarship to 300 people every year. My foundation, Anakwenze Foundation.org. Go Google it, you will see everybody we're helping. We're helping widows. Women, when their husband died, they're in serious trouble. In Africa, because they depend on the man to be the breadwinner. So they need help. So we go in there, we help them with the kids, we train them from elementary school to university. We're doing it. Medical care for free. We're doing it. Then skill acquisition. It's important that people who don't go to university, you teach them to be plumber, electrician, air condition fixer. People need skills so that they can take care of their family. And when you teach them skills, they're independent. Government cannot provide all the jobs. Most of the jobs have to be private sector. You know, private sector driven is what it should be. Government should be small, good, like not fraudulent ones, but good government. But so business is what we do. We train people, give them skills, encourage them to work. And if they don't find a job, we give them a job. Yeah. Amadebe will talk to you about what the key strategy we use about, you know, apprenticeship. We are the inventors of that. You know, that's how we train our people. We get skill, you get somebody that knows the skill to train other people. That's how we are. That's Igboza. That's why we will come. It doesn't take time. We will take over.
What I'm hearing you to say is everything we need, we have. And all we need to do is to be able to explore it and exploit it for what it is, because we are built already quite significant. And that's important. And so, Mbama, yes. Let's talk a little bit about some of the things, because His Royal Highness was sharing that you could share with us some of the things that you are doing to really empower people to see life a little bit differently.
Okay, like you said, I also have a foundation where we empower young people in skill acquisitions. But what makes Igbo people unique in the world? And I heard you guys do Susu, right? Susu, right? Where people get together, put money together, and then if it's your turn, you take it and start your own business. Will they move it up a little, scale it up a little to apprenticeship? It's being studied right now at Harvard. After the war, we have nothing. We have nobody has anything. We are all dead poor. So our people started the apprenticeship. And what it is, if one person has money, that person has money will take a lot of young boys and young girls, train them in what he or she is doing, maybe 5 years, 10 years. After that, the person will use his own money then to empower those people after they have acquired the skill. And they even give them access to their competitors. So he takes them to their competitors so that it won't be like they're trying to hide information from them. They're trying to expand information because it expands their base. So
that diminishes exploitation, yes, which is important, I think, because oftentimes as people develop themselves, right, they seek to exploit others around them so that they bring everything to self.
Exactly.
But you're saying, no, as a community, you share.
Yes.
And you create the opportunity for other people to also succeed. Yeah. And that's a change in our overall look on life in this side of the world.
Yes.
And I appreciate that, what you're saying.
Yeah.
Do you want to say?
Yeah, Minister.
No, I just want to make the point that what you call Susu.
Susu, yes. Yeah.
We call meat in turd.
Meat in turd, yes.
So some of us know that name. Yeah. The right name is Susu.
Right.
Yeah.
But we've been able to, because of the struggles and being deprived of opportunities in the economy, we still had the retentions of some of the structures and the systems that came out of Africa. And the Susu
which is meet in turn.
Right.
One of the elements that we have been able to preserve over the years.
Exactly.
And it's still working successfully. But it was once considered to be illegal.
Exactly, I remember that story.
And another thing that is very important is if you are smart and you don't have money, your relatives will pick you up and train you. And then it's like paying forward. And you train one person, another person will train another person. Before you know, the whole family will start moving up forward.
We got to take a break. But when we come back, because these guys have a lot to share, but in doing so, they're opening up and they're coming to spaces as well where we can all come to learn from. And we'll tell you a whole lot more about what's on the agenda right after this break.
Morning, morning, morning.